Okay, this is test ID 2 and the subject is communications. We are here discussing question number 44. Now it is given that S of t is a signal which is graphically represented or given in the question as 0, 1, 2. This is at time instant 4, and the amplitude of the signal is varies between +1 and -1. Now the question says the maximum energy is obtained. The maximum energy E max, let's call it, is obtained if we sample this signal at what time. Now the question is, this signal S of t is passed through a matched filter, through its matched filter. Now what is the matched filter M of t? It is given by, if t is this time interval, let's call it Ts, E max. At t, at what time instant should we sample it? Let's say simply t. At what time instant should we sample it? Actually the question, it's given as t equal to Ts, but that's not necessarily true. What time at which should we sample it? At what time should we sample it to get maximum energy? Now we know that the matched filter to this is S of t, S, let Ts be the sample time, the Ts be the symbol interval, minus t. So the matched filter representation is, for this filter, is 1 and -1. The corresponding matched filter representation is shifted by, this can be obtained by first S of t plus Ts, which is nothing but a backward shift, and then inverted, time reflected, t minus t, inversion in time. So the resultant signal would actually be something like this. This is the matched filter output, -1, +1, 0, 4 and 2. Now when you convolve these two signals, that is the output of the filter, it is also well known that at t equal to Ts, that is the output of this filter at t equal to Ts is equal to the energy of the signal itself. And the value of that is simply the energy of this signal, which is nothing but 1 square into 2 plus -1 whole square into 2, that is 4 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So hence the correct choice is D. One can immediately see that a little bit of detail, since it is too detailed, it's not explained here, but one can readily see that if we convolve these two signals, the resultant signal would look something like this. It is going to be a ramp signal because you're convolving two pulses, and then the ramp is going to raise and fall off and eventually going to go this manner. So this happens at t equal to 2, it's maximum. At t equal to 4, it's negative maximum, -2. At t equal to 4, you get, that is, this t4 is nothing but the symbol interval itself. The value is 4. And this is 0 again, this is -2 again. So this is the convolved pulse value. One can readily see that at t equal to Ts, which is already told by the matched filter theory, at t equal to Ts you get the maximum energy, hence that is the energy of the signal itself, and the answer is D.